Meanwhile, speculation is rife that rebel BJP MP Shatrughan Sinha might be joining the Congress party today. Shatrughan Sinha, who is a two-term BJP Lok Sabha member from Patna Sahib, has now been dropped by the BJP, which was chosen to fill the Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad. In fact, Shatrughan Sinha slammed the Prime Minister and Party President Amit Shah for denying a ticket to veteran leader LK Advani. He has called this move and decision to be quote-unquote disgraceful and in poor taste. He also said that such a move was expected from an autocratic rule of one-man show and two-man army. Pooja Shali joins us for more on this. And Pooja, Shatrughan Sinha is someone who hasn't minced any words in his criticism for the government, even when he was with the BJP. And now we're getting to hear that the in-house BJP critic is all set to shift allegiance to the Congress party. What's the latest on this?
Avantika, it is the election season of new joinees and also some expected defections. Now, this time today is for the Congress party because top sources have confirmed to me that about in the next 1 hour, we are expecting rebel BJP leader, two-term member of parliament from Patna Sahib in Bihar, Shatrughan Sinha, an acclaimed film actor, to finally joining the Congress party. Now, why I use the word finally is because for the past few months, he had been a vocal critic of Narendra Modi, especially since the time of demonetization. And until recently, in fact, he also decided to praise Rahul Gandhi. He was seen at a gathering with Lalu Prasad Yadav and other opposition leaders as well. So he had definitely come across as somebody who was not keen to work under Narendra Modi's leadership anymore. And on 23rd March, when the Bharatiya Janata Party's list was out for Lok Sabha candidates and it was the name of Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, it was clear that Shatrughan Sinha's ticket is cut. So the bigger question today will be when the Congress party decides to welcome him in the afternoon, will they give him the same Patna Sahib ticket? And it's a very important ticket, Avantika. It's a religious heritage site. It is a massive tourism hub. Patna Sahib has attracted a lot of voters as well in the past. So it is an important constituency. But will the Congress want to give the same seat, same ticket to Shatrughan Sinha, or will he for now be used only to campaign for the party? Of course, strategies are in place. At 12:30, we are expecting that official announcement. But the speculation has been for so long that we would like to then wait for an official welcome like yesterday it happened for actor Urmila Matondkar as well. Over to you.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for joining us, Pooja.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.